The beauty of nature is multifaceted and often described in diverse ways by different people. Here are some aspects of the beauty of nature. Nature offers breathtaking landscapes, from majestic mountains and tranquil lakes to lush forests and serene beaches. The incredible diversity of plants, animals, and ecosystems showcases the richness of life on Earth. The changing seasons bring a unique beauty to nature, from the vibrant colors of autumn leaves to the renewal of life in spring. Nature exhibits a sense of balance and harmony, where different elements coexist in intricate ecosystems. Peace and tranquility. Many find solace and peace in the calmness and tranquility of natural settings, providing a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Inspirational. Nature has been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and thinkers throughout history, sparking creativity and reflection. Simplicity. Nature's elegance often lies in its simplicity, with the beauty of a single flower or a clear, starry night sky. Healing. Many people find healing and therapeutic benefits in connecting with nature, reducing stress, and promoting well-being. Wonder and awe. The grandeur and mystery of natural phenomena, like the northern lights or a total solar eclipse, can evoke a sense of wonder and awe. Environmental stewardship. Recognizing the beauty of nature can inspire people to protect and conserve the environment for future generations.